Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming this look using the Makeupshayla times Colourpop Perception palette, also her nude lipstick, her highlighter, and her gloss. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera. I used the Anastasia brow definer and the Anastasia clear brow gel per usual. And next step, I'll be using the NYX Angel Veil primer. Veil. It's my first time trying this, but I heard good things, so we'll see. Taymon's here, I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to be applying my foundation. I'm going to use the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in the color Honey. I'm obsessed with this foundation, you guys. I got foundation on my shirt. I'm sorry I took so long filming a video. We're in the process of moving and it's been so hectic. I haven't had a chance to do anything, especially with all my lights and all my like backdrops and all of that. It's been so hard. Like if you guys saw my makeup right now, you guys would cry. It's everywhere. I'm in the living room right now. This is where I want to like keep my setup, that way I don't have to like take it down and then put it back up all together all the time, because that's what's the hardest part about filming videos, because like the setting up part is like a good 30 minutes to an hour depending if Tayvon is here or not. So hopefully I'm able to keep everything. I'm gonna try to put my vanity here somewhere or maybe in the room, and I need to go through my makeup. So anyways, I'm gonna be blending my foundation with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I'll try not to take so long to film. I have a couple ideas in mind coming up. I purchased a few makeup products like Juvia's Place. Some people told me that they had really good palettes, so I purchased like 3 palettes. I went to the Morphe store yesterday. I'll show you guys what I got in just a minute. I'm obsessed. I went to that new store in Scottsdale that they just opened up. I'm so happy. I would only go to the Morphe store when I was out in Cali. I used to have to go to Burbank to the Morphe store, and so I'm like so glad that we have one now here. So happy, because I hated ordering online because I'm not about that shipping life. Sometimes I just like want one thing, or maybe a palette that's released and then they'll have like a $7 shipping fee, and it'll make me rethink the whole thing, so I won't even buy it. Now I'm going to prime my lids with the Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte. A little bit. Who that? Hold on. Fuck! Some guy came to clean the pool, so I had to open the back door for him. I'm gonna set my eyes with a little bit of translucent powder. Why did I do my foundation before my eyeshadow? The most exciting part, the Makeupshayla palette. You guys, I'm obsessed with this palette. It's so good. I haven't been this excited about a palette before, other than like I love Shayla, but like these colors though, so cute. Orange color, transition color in the crease with the Morphe E27 brush. Now I'm going to use the color Revenge, and it's also going in my crease with a Morphe M513 brush. You guys hear something? It's because Jaden's being a scavenger in the kitchen right now.
Ow.
Trying to get snacks. This sucks. This is not working out. I set it up. My mom has 2 living rooms. We came back to my mom's house to stay here for like 2 months probably. Our lease was up at the apartment and we were in between like renewing our lease or maybe like going somewhere else because we don't like love those apartments, or maybe like renting a house. And everyone's like pushing me to buy a house, but I don't feel like I'm ready to buy a house yet. I have really like good credit. I have like excellent credit, but Tavon doesn't have any credit. So I was thinking about like maybe building his credit before we buy a house. And like that's what I want to do. I want us both to like have really good credit when we buy our house. That way we're able to get something like we really want. Because if I'm gonna buy a house, I'm gonna buy something that I really like love. Everyone's saying just like, you know, just get whatever and then you can like remodel it. I'm not with that. I don't like that. I want to move into something that's already nice. Like, what the hell? I ain't got time for that. So I was telling Tavon like we should wait, just give me like a good year or so to like build your credit and get it to like where mine is. That way we're able to get like something really nice. He said yeah, so I think we're gonna like rent again, but I don't know if I want to rent an apartment or rent a house. So hopefully by like August we'll be moved out of my mom's house and into our own little place again, because we need to have a place by the time Jaden starts school again. And it kind of works out because my mom she's not here. She's living in New Mexico for a few months. My dad and my brother live out there. So, oh, I need to show you guys. I went to the Morphe store yesterday, like I said, and I've been like kind of quick. Well, not really. The highlighter palette, the Brett, so cute. He's so cute. You know this is cute. Comes with like a brush, this palette. Look how cute this is. And I'm obsessed with the names. I already have this brush right here, but it's cool to have too. The Flawless Beauty Sponge. I believe Jaclyn Hill uses this brush, or used to use this brush, and she used to always rave about how good it was. And then I got it's a blush palette. This palette. So cute. I think I'm going to use this today. I also got this highlighter, and it's in the shade Extra because I'm extra. I got the setting spray, the setting mist spray. Then I got like more brushes, which I don't need any more brushes, but when I showed Tavon, he was like, I need a few more like detail brushes. And then I went to Sephora and I got the Fenty gloss, the Fenty lip gloss. Had to get that. I'm gonna go in with damn, my brushes are dirty, you guys. Make sure to tell Tavon this time. You guys, he helps me clean my brushes all the time. He's so freaking cute. I love him. I have a lot of brushes, so like the fact that he does all of them, I mean, not willingly. I tell him like, hey babe, you know, I have to like beg him a little bit, but he does it. So okay, so I'm gonna use the color Played Out. It's that dark brown shade right here, and I'm gonna start in my outer crease, and then with this is the MAC 217 brush. Do like some type of halo eye, I think. I'm trying to cut down on my video times. Like, I feel like they're so long. Maybe because I talk too fucking much, but I want to edit them out. Because I mean, I think about it. My videos are like 20 something. Sometimes they're like 20 minutes long, and that's edited. Like, I edit those videos, so I cut a lot of things out, and I like fast forward a lot of things. So I just talk too fucking much, but I'm trying to make it like less long, like a good like no more than 15 minutes. Go in with the M441 brush and just blend it out a little bit right here. I was thinking about doing like a few more challenges. Let me know if you guys like those challenge videos. I thought they were kind of funny, but I don't know if you guys are into it. A few people did tell me that they wanted to see vlogs, that they were waiting for me to film vlogs. And you guys, I literally forget to take my camera with me like when we do stuff, because I don't want to vlog if we're just chilling at home, just sitting there. I feel like that would be boring. But when we do go out and do stuff, like I forget to take my camera and I'm so pissed. I kind of want to buy a new camera, like a smaller camera for vlogs, and then this one for like my filming one, because this is kind of bulky. It's the Canon T6i camera. I'm going to go back in with that Culture shade and blend it out. Morphe M73 brush looks like that. Revenge reddish color again. Blend over top because it kind of got lost between the shades. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of concealer in the middle for my halo eye. I think I'm going to use this olive color from the palette. I'm going to use this Real Technique brush. It's so old, so I don't even know what it's called. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brush because that one wasn't working. Especially with my hooded lids, guys. This is what happens. You see that? It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to blend shadows over top. Now I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to clean it out and go in with this olive color where I applied the concealer. I'm going to blend because this is looking gray. Dark brown color and blend in the edges. I'm going to make this look more even. Okay, I'm going to go back in with the red shade and blend, blend, blend. Go back in with that olive color, but I'm going to spray my brush with the Fix Plus. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe E18 brush. Looks like that. It's like a thicker pencil brush, and blend that one. Oh, there's a fly. Ew, there's a fly. It's gonna be in my video. Okay, I got bugs and shit. Use the Shape Tape for my concealer. I'm gonna blend my concealer out. There's a freaking fly. Do you know where the fly swatter is at? Ugh! No. It's landing on my brushes. How freaking disgusting.
Fly swatter? Last time was outside. So crap. Dang. Stop so freaking out of the way.
You see? Non-stop. Hello. It Fit Me loose finishing powder in the color light medium under my eye. Keep getting interrupted. My camera turned off. There's a fly in the room. God. Here I am. I'm going to try to continue. So, I'll put the setting powder under. It's not a setting powder, it's a loose finishing powder. Same shit. Fit Me powder, face powder, just to set everywhere else. Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer to contour with that Morphe M437 brush. Okay, now I'm gonna bronze my skin with the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer and the Morphe M537 brush. I'm gonna dust off the powder. Now I'm gonna use my beautiful blush palette. I'm gonna use the color MUA, which is this one right here, because that's cute. Actually, I'm gonna mix Unapologetic and MUA, because I feel like MUA is a little dark. With the Morphe M530 brush. Do my lower lash line with the E18 brush, and I'm gonna go in to the dark brown, but before I do that, I'm going to do black eyeliner. This is a Marc Jacobs black liner. I'm gonna go in with that dark played out color. Dark played out color. Morphe M506 brush. Looks like this. I'm gonna go in with that red color and blend it with that Culture Light color. Right there. NYC eyeliner. I rarely try to use this eyeliner because I don't make it anymore. I'm still obsessed with it. This eyeliner never comes out right. Eyeliner is not my forte. Essence I Love Extreme mascara. I'm gonna go in with the Unbothered shade right here, this light vanilla shade for my inner corner. And my brow bone. Coco Girl About Town lashes. Now I'm going to use the Spice lip liner by MAC. And I'm going to use the Shayla times Colourpop lipstick in the color Quickie. So pretty. The packaging is so cute. And this color, this amazing nude color. I didn't pick up the other colors because those aren't usually colors I wear. So I only picked up this one and the gloss. I'll be using the gloss over top. Perfect. The lip gloss over top, and this one's in the color Neat Freak. Man. Cute. I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Plus. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use the Morphe setting spray. It's my first time using it. It feels so good. Got it, mine. And this is my finished look. If you guys enjoyed this look, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.